of days, frankly, because the strength across the global markets have been pretty much on the strong side. I think Dow is now just 150 or 200 points away from its lifetime highs of 41,375 approximately for the index. So I think in that context, we've been underperforming slightly over the last couple of days. But I strongly believe that potentially over the next few days, we should probably try and make a strong catch up. This is an interesting week because it's also the expiry week for the index futures, and my sense is that after that first half of very sharp correction and then a very slow, gradual and a steady recovery for the indices, the market texture could be a lot more buoyant going into the September series, and there would be a lot of positive expectations, onto the rollovers category as well. So I think on the back of this, expecting the next trend to remain on the upside, 25,000 mark is something which has been, a resistance of sort which you've been missing out. But I think potentially in the next couple of days, we should be able to break out of those levels.
Okay, Nooresh, hi, morning. It got extremely quiet and narrower by Friday. What does it seem like? Does it seem like we're going to follow the global cues or at least the US handover this morning? And are we in for an all-time high today?
So, if not today, maybe over the next few sessions, the all-time high is in the making over the next few sessions. The concern is how much higher can we go beyond the all-time highs? And for that, we need much more supports from the heavyweights. We've seen a lot of smaller moves happening across one day each. We've seen rotation lasting for a couple of sessions only. We've not seen Bank Nifty take leadership. We've seen IT take a leadership for a day, then one day it is FMCG. So once all of them fire up, then we get into a much higher move. So for now, I would expect 25,200 to be a resistance in the near term, unless we see more leadership coming from banking space. So the bias is positive. The broader markets could maybe outperform in this period.
Okay, so the broader markets might outperform.